Welcome! If you're tired of hearing that notification sound every time an activity starts on Discord, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable the activity start notification sound on Discord Web right from your PC. This is based on the latest update, so you'll be all set with the most current method. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and head over to the Discord website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right next to them is a small gear icon. That's your user settings. Go ahead and click on it. Now that you're in the User Settings menu, look for the section labeled Notifications in the sidebar. Click on Notifications to open up all your notification preferences. Here, you'll see a list of options that control what sounds Discord plays for different events. Scroll down until you find the section called Sounds. In this list, look for the option labeled Activity Start. This is the sound that plays whenever a new activity begins in your Discord server, like a game session or a watch party. To disable this sound, simply toggle off the switch next to Activity Start. Once you do this, Discord will stop playing that notification sound every time an activity starts. You can always come back and turn it back on if you change your mind. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you can enjoy a quieter Discord experience without those extra notification sounds interrupting your focus. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips and tricks for customizing your Discord settings. Thanks for watching and enjoy your distraction-free chats.